Hello everyone, this is Hillbilly Heath with another video on some of these Great Eastern Cutlery knives. The two I've got today are number 43s, and you noticed in the background I've got some other items there. I got the Grandpa's knife up here as usual, kind of looking over everything, and basically this was Grandpa's EDC. This is the only thing that was usually in their pocket every day. In today's world, we've got a little bit more sophisticated, I guess. I always carry a flashlight of some kind, and it's usually this one, the Olight S1R Baton. Great little EDC flashlight, small, lightweight. Usually have some kind of multi-tool like this Leatherman Wave. Usually have an ink pen of some kind. And if I don't have my Wave, I usually have a smaller little multi-tool like this Squirt. And I usually have a little Bic lighter, even though I quit smoking several years ago. I usually have some type of way to start a fire if I need to. But to get the stars of the show, I've got two of the number 43 Great Eastern Cutleries. The Oregon Trapper models is what came out in 2018. This is in the natural canvas micarta. And this was actually the first Great Eastern knife that I bought. I don't know, it just connected to me for some reason. You see, you got the hot dog shield on there. And these are larger knives, as you can see. I mean, they fill up my hand and then some. Let me get this to focus. TO Cutlery, made in the USA. And both of these knives have the triple P stamp, which stands for Pattern Production Premier. So this early beginning of this year, when these came out, this was the first time that Great Eastern made this 43 pattern. And both of these have that stamp. Both of these are in the Ute line, so they're not as fancy as the Northfield, but still very nice. You can see this one's got kind of a brushed finish on the nickel bolsters. And you got brass liners. But like most other GECs, the fit and finish is very good on these. The transitions are very good. Everything's flush and the way it should be. And this other one they call this one the beaver tail. You can see from the beaver shield on there. And this is in jigged Brazilian cherry is the wood on this. And they have a lot of knives in this beaver tail line, and different models and different patterns. And I believe all of them have wooden handles. Now, I'm not 100% sure on that, but I believe that's how it goes with them. And you see this one's got more of a polished finish on the bolsters. I bought this one used for a very good deal, and I normally don't like slip joint knives this size, but this one hit the tripod. This one, when I saw it, it just kind of connected with me, and then I really got such a good deal on this one, I couldn't pass it up. You can see it's got some patina on the blade there and everything, but still a very good knife. I knew the guy couldn't have put it through too much damage because they just come out at the beginning of the year, so. But he put a somewhat of an edge on it, you know, he's been using it, and there's nothing wrong with that. But he just didn't want it anymore, and I snatched it up. Some people's complained about the pull on these, and it is a little light. Especially for a knife this size, I think it's light. It's probably, I think both of them's probably 4, maybe a 5, but it's very light. But if you like the larger slip joint knives, I think there's still some of these out at some of the retailers, so good choice, especially if you like light pull on your blades. But that's the 2 number 43s I've got from Great Eastern Cutlery. Thanks all for watching. Click like, share, follow me on Instagram. Everybody have a wonderful evening. Bye now.